How can you save time in Microsoft Outlook? There are 4 ways to automate email responses: templates, signatures, quick parts, and automatic replies, often referred to as out-of-office replies. I'm Dawn Bjork, the Software Pro. I'm also a Microsoft Certified Trainer and Certified Outlook Specialist. In this online training, we'll focus on templates in Microsoft Outlook. To learn more about the other ways to automate your email responses, look for the links to these videos in the description below. To create or access templates in Outlook, first create a new message or reply to a message you've received. Then from the Message tab in the ribbon, choose View Templates. You'll see a display of sample responses such as "I'll reply later." And what's common in my household, "What do you want to do for dinner?" As you hover over each one of these, you can see that you have the option to delete them or to edit them. If you want to create your own, then you would move to the plus sign for that template. First, you would have the title for that template. And so, for instance, let's say that you handle incoming RFP responses, so requests for proposals. So that would be your title for this. And then you would simply tab or click into then the body for this. So any kind of standardized response that you might have. This could also be copied in from other documents that you have. It could be a copy and paste. And you could continue with this one. So because it's something that we can edit, we can always update things like timeframes or other contact information. At this point, then we can save, and it becomes one of our options. So for instance, now I could add this to the body of my message and make any necessary edits for this as well. So one of the advantages of templates is that you can add multiple templates to one email response, as you can see. They're also really easy to use, to edit, to update, and even to delete. The trade-off, as you might notice here as well, is that they are basic with no formatting. So weigh whether or not templates has a fit with some of your email responses. Now you've seen how to save time and effort by customizing and automating your work in Outlook using templates. For more tips on being productive with Outlook, head to thesoftwarepro.com/Outlook. If this online training was helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe to this channel. This is Dawn Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.